Oh shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm sliding right now. Oh shit. Fucking ice all over this shit. About to do the moonwalk on this shit.
Perfecting the melody, niggas think it's street only, that's sesame. I know there's a better me, I'm building long legacies. I'ma continue with the hate they send you. Can't let that offend you, a bake's not lend you. Beats on the menu, who am I gonna contend to? Who am I gonna contend to? I'm headed to the venue, I'm headed to the gate. Get the money while I wait, yeah. I control my fate, yeah, I control my fate. All I want is opportunity, and I got immunity. Okay, so I'm hustling on the road again, taking this driving. My eyes low again, stacking this bread so it won't fold again. Had a few losses now, I'm on the way.
Oh shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm sliding right now. Sliding, I was about to run into the empties. It's fucking ice. Take my time. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Stuck on this fucking ice. Maybe I shouldn't have parked this shit here. Stuck. Okay. Finally got from under. 342, 181. Picking up.
You got an FS0300?
Yeah. FM6440. You said FS0? FS0 3001 653. 342 181 JBHU.
Highlighted number is the one you're picking up.
All right, appreciate it. $298, $286. The one I'm picking up. East Loki. They be trying to pack as much dog food in here as possible. Oh shit. Fucking ice all over this shit. How to do the moonwalk on this shit. This whole shit is ice. All this is ice. What's good, y'all? So we got our load with us from last night that we picked up from Mars Pet Food. We're taking it to Corwith BNSF rail yard. We're about to drop this off, and then that'll be it for the day. I had to take my 10-hour break, and I wasn't able to make a round trip, but it happens because of the Walmart situation. We didn't make it back here last night, but it happens. Right now it's 54 degrees. Right now it's 11 a.m. So we're gonna keep it light today, not do that much. It's 11 a.m. I think today is the 9th or 8th. Today's the 8th, yeah. So right now, as far as my 70-hour clock, I do still have 21 hours. So I could work. Yeah, I mean, I could work probably like an extra day, maybe two. dropping off our load. Then after that, that'll be the end of the day for us. Then I got what, like 3 or 4 live loads this week. I would much rather get like 6 live loads. It's like a goal weekly. If I can get at least like 6 live loads, 5 to 6 live loads, that's pretty good. Just put it up in here. Okay, so that's valid. Gotta wait for them to correct. But while it's doing that, I wanted to show you guys what I've got. So right now we're at 1,500 gross. We only got 2 live loads this week. So like I said, we want to get closer to, you know, 5, 6 live loads. Not enough live loads we got this week, so I want to do better as far as the live loads. Taking forever. Okay, they verified it. Yep, that's what I got. Yes. All right, so we're good now. The gate is up. Gotta find a spot to drop it in, and then when I drop it, just, you know, they'll be able to locate it. Just gonna find the closest parking spot to drop this off at, pretty much. Probably hit this first row as long as I can find a spot over here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna drop it in this lot over here. Oh wait, I can drop it right in this spot right here. 27, spot 1. Or, yeah. All right. Now we're in our parking spots. So let me put my vest on. I mean, I'm not even going to be out there for long, but somebody could say something. You're supposed to wear your vest when you're in the yard. There was no spot to... Okay, got it. There was no spot to put the handle, the crank handle. Oh. Sometimes it gets stuck. All right. So we're in 271 right now. Lot 2, row 7. And in the spot that I'm at number 1. I'm at the first spot. So I'll just put 1 right there, and then it'll update so that they'll know where I dropped it off at. The load is complete because I have no current load assignment. So I'll show you guys what my current load is. So we're at 1600. You know, that's pretty average. You know, last week I believe I was at like 18 or 19. You know, but that's it. So that's it for today.